So next one, find the reduction formula for integration of sine raised to x with respect to x, where n is a positive integer, and hence find the value of integration of sine raised to 6x with respect to x. So in the previous class we have discussed about tan and cot, both the procedures are same, and here sine and cos are same. Okay, so consider the nth term, so that is integration of sine raised to nx with respect to x as in. Okay, so in the first step we have to split up this n as n minus 1 and 1. Okay, by adding these two terms, plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled, so we will get that n value. So it is the product of two functions, so first term we have to consider it as u and second term as v. Okay, so integration by parts formula is given, so that is integration of u into v with respect to x, first term into integration of the second term with respect to x minus double integration of the second function into differentiation of that first function with respect to x. Okay, so consider that nth term, so that is in is equals to product rule, so you have to apply this integration by parts. So first term as it is, so write this term as it is, integration of that second term sin x integration is minus cos x, integration of that second term, that is minus cos x minus sine double integration of the second term, so it is already one time integrated, so we have to put one time of integration of this same term into differentiation of the first term. It is of the form x raised to n, x raised to n differentiation is n x raised to n minus 1, so it is n x raised to n minus 1 means n minus 1 into sine raised to n minus of 1 minus 1, so it becomes n minus 2x. In place of x it is sin x is there, so differentiation of sin x is cos x with respect to x. Okay, so in the next step, so this minus sine raised to n minus 1 x into cos x, this minus of minus, so it becomes plus. Integration is with respect to x means constant term, you have to take that outside, so it is n minus 1 into integration of sine raised to n minus 2x into cos x, so it becomes cos square x with respect to x. Okay, so that is minus of sine raised to, so this term you have to write as it is, into integration of sine raised to n minus 2x. So here we have to apply the trigonometric identity, that is 1 plus sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So cos square theta equals to 1 minus sine square theta. So here we have to apply the trigonometric identity. So replace this cos square x by 1 minus sine square x. So in the next step, so up to this n minus 1, so write the same as it is. So here we have to separate the bracket. So here minus sign, that is plus n minus 1 into integration of sine raised to n minus 2x into 1. So it is sine raised to n minus 2x. Next this minus sign, minus and plus, so it is minus n minus 1 into integration of sine raised to n minus 2x into sine square x. Okay, so in the next step, so up to the same, so n minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, so it becomes sine raised to nx with respect to x. Okay, remaining here, replace this sine raised to n minus 2x with respect to x as in minus 2. Okay, that is n minus 1 into in minus 2 minus of n minus 1 into sine raised to nx with respect to x, plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. So this sine raised to nx can be considered as in, and here it is in minus 2. Transposing the above equation means here it is in, so this in into n minus 1 term, so you have to take on LHS side, so it becomes in into bracket 1 plus minus n is there, so it becomes plus n, and minus of minus plus 1, so here it is minus sign. So completely take this term on LHS side, so we will get this equation, so that is equals to, so this part write as it is up to in minus 2. Okay, so plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, therefore in is equals to, so whatever that equation is there on LH on RHS, so in the denominator, so this n goes to denominator part of these two terms. So this is the in equals to minus sine raised to n minus 1x into cos x plus of n minus 1 divided by n into in minus 2. So which is the required reduction formula for integration of sine raised to nx with respect to x. So this is also an important one. So along with reduction formula, so and hence evaluate sine raised to 6x is also given, that 6 itself is the maximum one in the reduction formula. So I am considering that sine raised to 6x, in order to evaluate the integration of sine raised to 6x, put n equals to 6 in equation 1. So whatever that reduction formula is obtained, so in that we have to put n equals to 6. So after putting that value n equals to 6, we get I6 equals to, where that is n, so n minus 1 means, so it becomes 6 minus 1, that is 5, and n means 6, and in minus 2, 6 minus 2, so it is I4 value, so we get, so call it as equation number 2. In order to find this I4 value, again we have to put n equals to 4 in equation number 1. In equation 1, so that reduction formula, so after putting, so we'll get I4 is equals to I2, will get n minus 2 means 4 minus 2, so that is I2 value. In order to find this I2 value, again we have to put n equals to 2 in equation 1, so we'll get 2 minus 2, so that is I0, will get integration of sin raised to nx, where n is 0 means anything raised to 0, so it becomes 1, okay, integration of 1 with respect to x, so that is x divided by 2. So this is your I2 value. So this I2 value you have to substitute in equation number 3. So where this is I2 is there, so there you have to put this value, so that you have to multiply it by 3 by 4, and this term you have to write as it is, so we'll get this equation like this. 3 by 4 we have to multiply this bracket, so we get I4 value. Whatever that I4 value we get, so this I4 value we have to substitute in equation number 2, so we get the required I6 value, that is integration of sin raised to 6x, okay. So that is this is I4 value we have to substitute in equation number 2, so we'll get I6 is equals to 5 by 6 into, here 5 by 6 into I4, so that I4 value, so into, this is your I4 value, okay. So multiply this by 5 by 4, so we'll get the required I6 value. So this is the answer. So terms get cancelled, 1548, so we'll get the required I6 value, okay. So this is the reduction formula in related to sin raised to 6x, and hence evaluating the integration of sin raised to 6x, okay.